So I bought myself a little birthday present today. I don't want to build this, so I ended up selling it to my boy Diecast Dad. Him and his son are going to build this, but I wanted the 164. So let's open this up and let's check it out. As careful as I can, of course, because this set does not belong to me anymore. So I want to preserve it as much as I can, just so when Diecast Dad opens it with his son, it's like a brand new box. Oh! It's very, very tight. And there's your R8. Let's check it out.